Hi, first grade. This is our second week of math at home, and we're ready for lesson 8-6. Now, last week we worked on make a 10 strategy, plus just reviewing about counting on and doubles. So I figured I would review it to just kind of see if you can remember all that we had discussed in the past weeks plus this week. So these are all different strategies on how to add that we have talked about. So the first one is counting on. Now we all know how to count on. We've done it for weeks and months. It's probably the easiest one you guys will go to be able to add numbers, especially single digit numbers, obviously your one digit numbers. But what that is when you choose to use this strategy, it's when the numbers are far apart, like your 7 and 5, or 6 and 9, 6 and 8, 6 plus 8, 2 plus 6, something like that. Okay, those are the numbers that are, if you're looking at a number line, they're not close together, they're far apart. And that's when you would use counting on strategy. For example, I would say 6 plus 3. Okay, we start with the bigger number first. I fist 6 and then I go 7, 8, 9. So it would equal 9. That's when you use counting on. You would fist and then count on the second number. Doubles. Now we worked a lot with doubles plus 1 and doubles plus 2. How you recognize whether you would use this strategy or not is when your numbers that you are adding are close together. Because then if they're close together, that means it's a double. For the first number, double plus 1. And then a double plus 2. It means it's 1 more than that number or it's 2 more than that number. So examples of that would be 4 plus 5. So that is a double. We can double 4, which is 8, and then just add 1 more, equals 9, because 5 is 1 more than 4. So a double, which is 8, plus 1 more is 9. That's a double plus 1. Double plus 2 would be your 6 plus 8. If you want to go ahead and go there. It could also work for this one down here. 6 plus 8, double 6 is 12. Now 8 is 6 or 2 more than 6. So let's take 12 plus 2 equals 14, just like 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, do you see that? That's how doubles plus 1 or doubles plus 2 works, and doubles as well. The last one you would use would be make a 10, which we talked a lot about last week. You're going to see make a 10 be the most helpful when you are working with 9 plus. Anytime you see a 9 plus something, you would want to use your make a 10. Even 8 plus something would work, but 9 plus something, that's when you want to make a 10. So if you have 9 plus 4, okay, how many, to make that 10 frame fill up, how many do you have to take from your 4 to make a full sheet of make a 10, and then how many are left? Well, we'd have to take 1 over here to fill it all up, which means we only have 3 left because we took 1 over to make 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3 left, which means 10 plus 3 is 13, or 9 plus 4 is 13. So the work for you today is basically choosing, when you figure out what your answer is, did you use count on for C? Did you use doubles and write D? Or did you use make a 10 and you write M? Okay, good luck. And your pages are, let's see, you will do pages 296 and 297. Bye.